Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreyas. In today's video we are going to talk about boosting your immunity or why you might be falling sick all the time. And first of all, I'm not a doctor guys, so I'm not giving you medical advice, but whatever I've learned and whatever I've read and whatever I've experienced myself, because there was a time last year when I was falling sick all the time. I used to rush to the hospital, I think I rushed to the hospital like 3 times at least because of high fever all of a sudden. And I read few articles and studies and all that, and I matched it up and I realized, you know what, maybe that was the reason why I was actually falling sick. So in this video I'm going to give you few basic tips, and thanks to my friends for falling sick, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to get this topic in my head. Okay, so anyway guys, first of all I would like to believe that stress plays an important role when it comes to your how healthy you feel. I wouldn't say internal, I wouldn't say your immune cells will die or they'll be very weak or anything like that, because first of all your immune cells, they are fighting for you every single day. Like, I'll display a picture. I found this on Harvard. Okay, you can clearly see that there's two bacteria that potentially could cause gonorrhea, which is an STD, and you can see how the cells are battling for you, and literally the bacteria is gone, right? So this is what they do for you, and once they are weak, your cells are weak, new ones will be produced, and they'll replace the old ones, and the old ones will just die for you, right? So feel guilty, man. So keep yourself healthy. So how to do that? So stress, guys. These days everyone's stressed out. We have hectic work life, we have hectic shifts. Some people have other issues, family issues, friendship issues, girlfriend issues, girl on Tinder issues, all these kinds of issues. So that causes a lot of stress. So the best way to relieve stress would be doing things like yoga, meditation. I wish I did yoga and meditation last year, but it was different for me, so I didn't do that. But that's the first way to relieve stress. Second would be to relieve stress and also improve your immunity. Scientists have found that exercising, training, strength training, and all these things can really improve the blood flow, and when you improve the blood flow, all the immune cells will be transported as well, and that can really help you improve your immunity as well. So keep yourself active. Even if you can't go to the gym, be active, because these days nobody plays football outside. People play FIFA, people don't play police and robber, people play PUBG on their phone, right? So that's how it is. So keep yourself active, and I'm not even joking. The youngsters as in the teenagers these days, like, I can give you an example of my own brother as well. Like, he doesn't do any kind of physical activity. I believe he plays PUBG all the time. I hope he doesn't watch this video, but that's what I'm giving an example. So try to promote activity, and especially people who are older in your family. If your dad, your mom, they are of course old, right? So make sure you ask them to be active, because when you get old, if you fall sick, all the medicines and all the pills won't work when you work the same way it used to when you were maybe 20, because when you get old, again your immunity levels goes down, right? So promote fitness and activity in your family as well. And the second one is the most important one would be your diet. Now this is a generation of people who eat a lot of protein, reduce their carb intake, and when they reduce their carb intake, they forget to eat a lot of fruits, right? And I believe fruits and vegetables should be the first thing that you should be adding in your diet. Like, if you make a team of your own, football team of your own, there will be one player who is the first name on the team sheet, right? So even in your diet sheet, there should be one serving of fruit in a day and one serving of vegetable, green vegetable. I prefer green vegetable in your day. If you don't do that, maybe you will fall sick. Yeah, I know multivitamins and all that, but in studies that they have found that even multivitamins, most of the multivitamins, they are not potent. The absorption is not that great. So some of the vitamins that are related to your immunity would be vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a big role, and we get vitamin D from sunlight, and sadly, like I said, no one plays police and robber. Everyone plays PUBG, right? So that's the main reason. So vitamin D supplementation, 2000 to 5000 IUs a day is important for you, for your dad, for your mom, for everyone. Okay, so make everyone in your family use that. It's really important, especially if they're falling sick. Second is vitamin C. Oh my god, I can't talk enough about vitamin C. They say all these fruits are bad, but trust me, fruits will save you from falling sick. So vitamin C, all the citrus fruits, I'm pretty sure you learned that in school. So vitamin C. Take all the fruits rich in vitamin C, and the best way is, taking it before your workout. That will give you a good rush of energy as well. So that was vitamin C. Then we have vitamin B6 and folic acid. We have zinc. We have what else do we have? We have vitamin E as well. So all these things, together play a role. So these were some of the reasons why you are getting falling sick. There are many special drinks that are promoted as immune boosters and all that, but I wouldn't believe that. But there are sources that say ashwagandha and all that can help you, but I believe you should be taking ashwagandha if you're stressed out. So it all is related. It's all related. Like if you're stressed out, you take ashwagandha, you take gokshura, and that reduces your stress, in turn increases your immune, right? So these are the few points I wanted to share. So in short, your diet, micronutrients, really important. Reduce stress, exercise a lot, and start when you're young. And even if your parents are, if there are older people in your house, ask them to increase their activity. So this was a very basic video, guys, but that vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, folic acid, vitamin B6, these are really important, for your immunity. So I hope you all like this video, guys. Very simple, but I'm pretty sure someone will get help out of it. Or if you have forgotten about your immune system, I hope I reminded you of the same. So thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you all soon. Peace out.